I'm out here at the Georgia National Fair, and they're seeing just the best conditions for this morning. I mean, check out this beautiful sunrise they're seeing. These workers are certainly enjoying these temperatures as well. We are down into the lower 50s in Perry. These are temperatures we have not seen for quite a while. But I will say this, you can go ahead and get used to them because this cool, dry air is going to be here to stay for the next couple weeks. So let's go ahead and talk about today's forecast for you. If you're going to be going outside at all, or if you're going out to the fair, I want to start off with that, and then I want to talk about these small rain chances that might actually be sneaking in as well. As you can see right here, we're seeing the lower 50s for just about everyone. I think a lot of us are going to be reaching about 55 or 56 by about 9 a.m., then quickly jumping up to the 70s around lunchtime. Now, that's going to be a time that I think it's going to be excellent to be outdoors. If you're going to try to get to the National Fair a little bit early, I think you can go ahead and not worry about the heat. If you want to eat lunch outside, it's going to be absolutely perfect for that as well. Now, later on today, high of about 86 degrees. Not feeling all too bad either, thanks to that dry air that's really taken on over. Now, one thing I will say, it's going to be tempting to stay outside for a long period of time later, but go ahead and put on that sunscreen because you're certainly going to need it as we get into this afternoon and likely for your Saturday as well. But if you're wondering about a rain chance for this weekend, I am highlighting Sunday for you, but Friday and Saturday are looking fantastic if you're going to be going outdoors. Plenty of sunshine, you're going to have highs in the 80s. Then Sunday, these small rain chances will begin to sneak on in. I was talking to a worker just a minute ago. They actually need to break down this place on Sunday and get out of here before Monday morning. There might actually be some rain interfering with that late Sunday night. So if you do want to get outside to the fair, highly recommend today or tomorrow before those small rain chances do move in on a Sunday. Another big thing I want to point out to you is that these rain chances are coming in with a cold front. You're seeing plenty of rain in the middle of the country. Places like Arkansas, Missouri, even up into spots like Illinois are even seeing some thunderstorms. But for us, most of that rain on Sunday is going to be pretty light. Our bigger rain days actually not going to be moving in until Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when we're going to see the main effects from this system. But as far as Sunday's concerned, I'm not looking at any good chance of severe weather out there. We're mostly just going to have some strong winds around 30 miles per hour. We could also see some heavy rain, but remember, we need that heavy rain, and we do have a slight drought going on for some of our counties, but a major drought going on for most of our counties across the mid-state. In fact, look at Wilkinson County where you see McIntyre right there. They've actually had 12 inches of rain less than what they expect by this time of year. And as many of you know, October tends to be a drier season, and we are seeing that trend lasting well into November as well. But at least for this weekend through the middle of next week, some small rain chances are going to sneak in there. I'm looking at our northern counties, including Forsyth, Monticello, Milledgeville, maybe even seeing some rain chances that might even be lasting into early Thursday, and that can give them as much as a full inch of rain. But Atlanta looks to be the lucky ones. They're most likely going to see even more of that rain pushing on through. All right, let's go ahead and talk about that 10-day for you. And as you can see, the 80s are expected all the way through the middle of next week before we can have a couple days sneaking down to the 70s for those high temperatures. So coming up in about 10 minutes or so, I do want to talk a little bit more about today's forecast in detail and also let you know if these chilly temperatures during the morning are going to last a little bit longer.